Hello, I'm Armin from WatchThemLive, and today we are going to see how we can integrate WatchThemLive via Google Tag Manager. The first thing you need to do is to sign up for absolutely free on WatchThemLive, which is a fairly simple task to do. I've already done it. So you just provide a name and an email address, which I've already provided, demo WTL and demo at watchthem.live, as you can see in the upper right of the page. Actually, you will just need to proceed after that with this video. So I'll click on add website and provide the name of the website, which would be demo WTL, and the domain address, which is https demo.watchthem.live. I'll keep the ticks on for tracking visitors, events, session replays, and weekly email reports, and click on the submit button, which brings me to this notification which says that the new website is now created. And here we have the integration page for Google Tag Manager. I'll click on the left option which says via Google Tag Manager, and here we can see a code. It says that create a custom HTML tag on Google Tag Manager with the code below and trigger it for all pages, which we will do in a second. So I'm going to first copy this code. You can do it via the copy button up there, or you can just select the code and just right click and choose copy. So I will go to Google Tag Manager now, and under new tag I'm going to select add a new tag, and as you can see here we have the tags, and I'm going to click on the sign up there above tag configuration, and here I'm going to choose the tag type of custom HTML, and we'll just paste the code that we just copied, and there is nothing else to do here, as you can see. And I'm going to actually save the tag right now, and you can just choose add trigger and just choose for all pages. Choose your trigger for all pages, and you'll just save it. So here you just need to rename your tag, which I will go with WTL script, and save. So here it's our tag that you can see on the page, and as you can see it is named WTL script, and here we can see there was one change that was added to the workspace, and yes, so in our submission configuration I'm going to choose the version name of WTL script and the same for the version description, and I will just publish. So the version is actually published right now, as you can see, and there is one tag added. And I'm going to go back to WatchThemLive web page and click on next and verify my installation, which as you can see here it says that the pixel code has been installed properly. So we now know that everything is working fine, and you can just enjoy the rest of your life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.